Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to break down the song I played, I Surrender All. I played a lot of interesting chords in it, and don't be intimidated by how the chords are. I'm going to give you alternatives so that you can play. It doesn't matter the size of your hands. So let's take a listen to it. Alright, so let's get straight into it. We're in the key of F and we eventually modulate it to A flat, right? So let's hear the first thing I did. So we did. Alright, so this move is, you'd have known how to play grace notes by now if you have been following my tutorials. So we have this. Right, and the left hand does it similar. Some people might just want to do this. Maybe easier to just do that. And the first chord I played was this. Right? Alright, so obviously I know that a lot of people wouldn't be able to do this. So we would need a voicing that you would be able to play. So I would say we could play. It may not sound as full as this, but it works. Or if you can do, if you want to do it as an arpeggio, you use the sustain pedal. Right? But this works. Alright? So that's the first one. All to Jesus, I surrender. Alright, so let's see. So all to. Alright, so we did this. Very simple. Then we went to Jesus. Alright, so this is the chord I played. If you can stretch this, great. But if not, you would have to play, let's see. I'm trying to give you as close to it as possible. So we have the D, the D, the A, the B flat. So let's give you this. You can do that to keep it open. Just octave the B flats, or you can do that. So the cool thing about this, you can also do the slide right here from the C to the D. So I am not able to do the slide if I play this chord, but if you play it the normal way, or this. If you do that, you can play the slide. Alright, so let's see what we did next. So we went back here, and I said you could just play it like this. So, right? So you want these two notes. And I played So the important thing about this chord is this note and this. These three notes is what gives that unique sound. So you could play this as the C. You could do that. So you're maintaining this note and this. And that's on the 7th. So that's a 7th chord. Alright, so let's move on. So we have, everyone can do that. And I played this and that. But let's give you another way to play this. So you could probably do, so you get to play the full chord. You just play it as an arpeggio using a sustain pedal. So you hit these first two notes initially, then we go to, and I hear how beautiful those inner chords sound. You want that sound, so you can do that. So your pinky fingers, right? Use your sustain pedal. And now for the 3, you could do that as well, the same thing. So this is a chord. The pinky plays the A, pinky plays in the right hand the G, and in the middle we have this in the middle. So that's for your 3. So 4, 3, right? 4, 3, 4, 3, right? So let's continue. So this is, so we did this move. So this is just to like fill the space. So we slide from the G to the A flat to the A, and then we ended up on this. So this chord, and we're sliding from the G to the A flat to the A in one move. And the left hand would have had this, right? But you can just do this. I'm sure you can do that. Right? So the toughest part is to basically jump from here in the time. So if you're not accustomed to playing that, it may be tough, but practice it over and over. Go slowly. And speed up. Alright, so that's for it. So let's see what's next. Let's go back a bit to hear the context. So I want to go to here. So this is what I actually played, right? But you can just do this by playing that. It's gonna be rootless. You won't have, well, you do. You have the F sharp right here. And this slide is, so that's how you get that sound. So slide up, then slide down quickly. And I believe I went to. Let's confirm that. So I played that, right? But you can just play, let's see. You can do that. Right? Very easy. The sustain pedal is your friend. Right? So you can do that instead of doing that. Or if you want to do that, you can do, if you cannot reach to the B flat, you can just do that. Or you can even do, you see, if your left hand is not strong enough to play chords, even simple things like this may be tough. And at that point, you need to work on playing chords with your left hand. That's how I started out. I never always felt comfortable playing chords in my left hand, but you have to work on it. Alright, so let's continue. So we have so went to the 4-3, 4-3. So you can simply do, I did this for the 4, right? But you can just simply do, you can do that. It's not too muddy. Or you can just do this. And for the 3, you could do that. I think I did this. But you can do that. Either one works, right? So let's see what we did next. So actually I left out the F. So I went from the 2 and I came straight to the 3. So you can jump from the 2. You can do that. Right? So let's go back to it. Okay, so it's actually the 4. So it's not 2 to 3. 2 to 3 can also work as an alternative, but you can play 2, 4. I guess the 3 was the most obvious thing, and I like to not do the most obvious thing, so I played to the 4. You could even go to the 1. So you can just play this for the 4, or from the 2, you can do that. Alright, so let's see what we have next. So we have this. Right? When we hit the F, I played this. Right? This is what I played. But you can simply do this. Same thing. I just play the F. Instead of playing it here, I played it up here. It just gives it a more open sound. I like to play my chords more open, but it's the same thing. Right? So let's see what we did after that. And if you're following me long enough, you know I love these type of chords. The dissonant notes on its own makes no sense, but in context sounds very beautiful. So you can do this. You can also slide from the B to the C. Right? And we're going back to the 1. So I played that for the 1. But you can just play the 1 like this. And now we're going into the key change. We're going from the F now to A flat. Let's hear what we did. So this is pretty much the melodies. Na, 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 na. So I played